I've been saying this for a while now, but let's just get straight to the point. The biggest scam in catering as a whole right now is the fact that we have no support for when things go wrong. Like, I could deal with a ghost order to a certain degree, but I need the support systems in order to actually get the job done. If the system says that the restaurant didn't receive an order, so I need to contact support so I can actually get to the people who can provide me the cancellation fee or whatever that happens to be, that's what needs to happen. I can't stand being lied to about everything. And that's exactly what ezCater, the RMDA, Food Fetched, Jackrabbit, they've all been doing it. Hiding tips, dodging accountability, leaving drivers completely unsupported. This isn't a glitch or some systematic error. This is by design. First off, there's already been a fair amount of accusations on Jackrabbit Deliveries and on Food Fetched. And when a customer places an order, they believe their tip is going to the driver, and that's the expectation. That's the freaking point. But as drivers, there's no way to know if we got all of the money that we are supposed to get. But as drivers, there's no real way to know if we're actually getting all the pay we're supposed to. There's no itemized breakdown. There's no transparency, no confirmation, just a lump sum payout, and we're just expected to trust it. Like, each one of these companies hide a certain amount of information, just enough so we can't verify it. For Deliver That, they have only a cost, and that's it. For a lot of these ezCater apps, they have half of an itemized breakdown. Food Fetched is known for that. We can't tell what the order cost is, though. They won't tell us that. They just give us a lump sum payout, and we're supposed to expect that it's falling within the right parameters. Meanwhile, ezCater, at the top, their subcontractors below have every opportunity to adjust, skim, reroute tips before they ever reach our accounts. They say they mandate that 100% of the tips and fees go to us. But if we can't verify that information, what's the point? That's plain theft. That's a systematic issue. There is no transparency there, and that's egregious amounts of fraud. The customer doesn't even know any of this half the time anyway. This isn't as common knowledge. Like, some people heard me say RMDA and don't even know what that means. That's the company that oversees like a lot of these other smaller cartwheel apps. And honestly, I think has a lot more to do with Deliver That and Delivered than they let on. Now, what happens when an order goes wrong or something happens on the platform to where we either get threatened by the people we work with, the order doesn't make it to the restaurant, or something ends up happening during the course of the order that there's a problem? Well, Food Fetched is going to ghost you because their support teams don't actually support you. Jackrabbit is going to threaten you. There's no real way to get in contact with the RMDA, and ezCater is just deflecting the issue, saying it's not really their problem. So every layer is designed to pass the buck until it lands onto the driver. We're the only ones who can't push responsibility further, which means we're the only ones eating the loss. And we shouldn't be pushing responsibility anyway. These aren't exactly complex issues. These are, hey, something happened systematically to where an order wasn't received, and there are other orders in the waiting area. This order needs to be marked as canceled, and I need to get the cancellation fee. That's it. That's not that fucking hard. But they can't even do that! Here's the truth. A ghost order wastes the time of a lot of drivers. This robs drivers of pay. And with all orders, we don't know if we're getting the full tip. We don't know if we're being underpaid. We really are underpaid, but we don't know if that's because they give them the tip or anything else. And when we try to raise the issue, nobody wants to answer the fucking phone. That's not negligence anymore. That's fraud, that's exploitation, and it's wrapped up in silence. This needs to change. if ezCater and their partners want to operate in this space, the bare minimum should be itemized pay breakdowns, countable support lines that do their fucking job, and direct responsibility that comes from the platform they're working with. And until these things change, we're just gonna keep getting fucked over and over again. I am done with the nonsense. I'm tired of playing this goddamn game, and I'm done letting everybody just step all over me when they just need to do their fucking job. Just do the job. I'm so tired of this. Jackrabbit, Food Fetched, RMDA, ezCater. This is a system where nobody answers the phone, nobody tells the truth, and I'm not going to shut up about it. Drivers deserve to know if they are going to get full pay. Drivers deserve real support when things go wrong. Customers deserve to know if their money is actually reaching the people that are doing the fucking work. And right now, until that changes, every single one of these companies is complicit in a scam. And that is why I am going to start working towards getting in contact with the FTC, getting in contact with the Department of Labor, and start gathering information of other drivers also falling into this so they can also report to them. Because quite frankly, enough is enough. The games end here.